Hello, my name is Abednego. I'm a product, also pre-sales of Datadog. And then today I want to introduce how we can selling our product Datadog to our customer. Yeah, so let's start. Monitoring is the part of application. Why? Because if you want to see the good application, you must be implement monitoring. Maybe from the silo monitoring to centralized monitoring, from monitoring your environment from the smalls. It means like using monolith, and then maybe there are applications have done to migrate to microservices. You must be monitoring the performance of application. And then maybe if you want to monitoring from the shift left, you want to deploy your application before publish or go to the production, from develop to production. You can see the performance, you can monitor the performance because you release to production. You must be using the monitoring. And then if you want to use with another team from the DevOps level or management, yeah, Datadog or APM tools can be used. And then Datadog is the platform of observability with 3 pillars. It means like metric, traces, and the logs. And then Datadog is the observability tools with the module. What do you want to use for the use case? If your customer want to monitor their performance from infrastructure, from the CPU, memory, and then this, they can or we can selling our module for infrastructure monitoring module. And then if the customer want to see the performance application, it means like slowest and then error transaction, failure transaction, we can propose for APM module. And then if they want to use from the database, it means DBA team, to see the slow query, we can propose for DBM module. And then if the customer, they are use case from the security, we can propose for AppSec, application security, also CM, if they want to see the issue security from the cloud. And then if they want to see the analytic from the application, from the front end application, web application, from the mobile, like on the iOS, like on the Android, yeah, you can propose for monitoring the analytic with the real user monitoring. So Datadog, it's the biggest observability tools. What do you want to use? You can use by your module on Datadog. But the best practice, if you want to see the correlation from the front end side, back end side, database, and the surrounding application, you can propose maybe multiple module, yeah, to see the correlation of the application from infrastructure, from the APM, and see the detail, the root cause of your problem of your application. Yeah. And then what the difference of Datadog with the competitor? First, Datadog is the single platform monitoring. They can monitor from the on-prem site, or maybe on the cloud. It means like AWS, GCP, and then Azure. And then on the on-prem, maybe on the VMware, on the bare metal, Datadog also can monitoring for the environment. Second, with Datadog, you can easy to deploy. Datadog is the observability tools running on the SaaS, so you don't need to prepare for the environment monitoring. It means like some of APM product must be set up before to preparation before monitoring, like installation and configuration. On the Datadog, it's running on the SaaS, so you can easy to use. If you have done to register, you can use it. So you do not prepare for the environment. And the third, Datadog used by AI, which is Watchdog. So Watchdog can help to see the early warning of your problem of your application, and then help to solve the issue. And then the last, Datadog right now is integration with another technology, with many technology. I think 700 for right now. And then the integration is free, different with the competitor. The sum of competitor for the integration must be charged, must be paid, but on Datadog it's a free. So I think there are 4 points for the benefit of Datadog with the competitor. And then also the Datadog, it can be used for another team. From the user side, they can monitor their application quickly to solve their problem. And then from the management, if they want to use monitoring for see the impact of the amount of transaction and quick solve with their team, maybe with the user, yeah, they can reduce or decrease the amount of transaction, the file of amount of transaction. And then from the C level, they can see the high level of their transaction. I think, yeah, from me, the simple presentation about how we can selling the how we can selling to our customer, how we can see for the best product of our product Datadog. And then, yeah, I think it's finished. Thank you. Bye bye.